Hey yo, hi everyone. Good afternoon and welcome to my YouTube channel. It is the real girl. Who are you say they find bride price? So after you don't try to fuck up your woman, the woman not fuck up. Now you define your bride price. All this men, they make me laugh. So you are looking for your bride price. That one are the type is where many men normally they use. When we say most lady, they never still understand. When they try to fuck you up, when they try to do all those they are evil to you, they say the thing not work. They abandon you. They do everything unthinkable to you. They say you no break. Many of them go come out. They go abandon you, abandon your children. They go come out. They know they do anything for you actually. Not be say they get anything specific when they do for you. I did travel anyway. I said I just dropped this video. Not be say they get anything specific when these people they do for you. That because of the way you say they carry them, they put for head, they take them, say that they important, they do things for them. They will just feel say if they leave you, say you will die, you not go feel survive without them. They will come do you to the essence. Say they will say no, leave her now. Especially if you be woman where they say you they fear to be single, they fear single mother. You they laugh your mate with this your husband say, oh this one be single mother, huh? He go want do you that thing where they say you they fear, that thing where they pay you. He go come carry bag. Now the last straw when they break the camel bag be that. He go come carry bag. He go say make him leave you, make you go see outside. How far? How outside be? You not enjoy for them. All those women wanna say fool everywhere. You not carry inside marry. Now they not stay with you. They not stay with you. Make you they suffer with you. If you born, you will abandon them. If they get belly, you will abandon them. If they born, they will come back. You will come back how many days? You will cut score. You will come out again. Those women, they not come fit take you all those your excesses where you they do all this to your women. When you go get work, you go get money, you go get everything. Your high no go let you put for one place. Your high go sit there outside. You no go fit. Your own now wear this woman for the get strength. Wear this woman for the get strength. Why she never break down? As I don't try to break her down. Why she not they break down? Why this woman waiting all tail back? You go say you be man. You know they let me talk for her. You know they let me talk for her. Now you be the man for her. Now you be the this one. Now you be the. You go brand you everything, my ladies. Wanna shine on her eye. Now so they be. When they don't try everything, they say nothing they with you again. Where it be their own. They don't steal from you, they don't use you, they don't do you everything. They don't try to break you down, they don't try to shame you, they don't try to destroy you. They don't scandalize your name, follow everywhere. More than know this type is when they use. When they say, you see they shine. You know when you carry white pigeon, you take and rub everywhere, rub charcoal, rub for the bottom. That white pigeon, wait, that white pigeon still they shine. You go they talking for your mind, say, wait, I'm talking. You they talking for your mind, say, wait till this pigeon take whole mind. Wait till they why this pigeon as I rub her for dirty, she not dirty. Now me come dirty. Now so it be when it come to this situation, when many men they try to break women down, they try to destroy you, they try to do everything. When they come, say, because before they go start the bride price wahala, before they go start to come they talk about the bride price, they don't go tell you, they don't go tell you in a civilized way, say, hey, mama waiting call, bring my bride price for me. After they don't try everything, now they come with the bride price problem now. And they normally they come with the bride price when you don't they follow another man, because it happened to me where they talk. when you don't they already they follow another man, they go talk say they don't want you again. The whole city go beg. They will try to bring your self-esteem down. They will try to make you, that is, reject you for your own face. Reject everything that have to do with you. You understand me? So they will reject you. People will even carry you like say you be small mama. Make we go beg your husband. When they go reach there, you go say, I don't want you, I don't want to, I don't want to. They go do. That one, if they favor you, because those people now your witness, now your witness. People when they witness everything will happen to you. Now it be that. You go say, don't want you, I beg you, too the troublesome, the problem. That is the thing when in their body. You go come they put on for your body. They know they do this behavior, they not be liar, they be pathological liar, many of them. They will say you too they give problem. If they're great person, that is everything. They do jealous, they will give you the name will not be your own. As a little paya, they'll give you the name when you not get. After everything, they don't say you not break, you not crazy, you not scatter. They'll come, they'll tell people they go. They'll say, I see your wife with one boy. Or I see your wife with Saturday shine. My bride price they head. They'll first tell everybody where they are that city. They'll first tell everybody where they that city because they don't want you, they don't want anybody to be with you. Now that one be the play truth. They don't want you. They don't want anybody to be with you. They don't want anybody to see the good or the bad in you. They don't just want anybody to stay close to you. They want to make you stay in bondage. They wait them. Because they know so that they go out, go play, go enjoy their life, or go live their life miserable. They want to pin you down for corner. They wait them. As they go do that enjoyment. Now, what kind of excessive greediness and evil behavior when be say many Nigerian and African men they do to keep women where want to be in bondage. I call them where he want to be in bondage. Because before person do you something, you too you consent it. You consent it. The moment you know say you get a life to live, you don't have to allow anybody to put you in bondage or to wait for anybody or to love anybody more than yourself. You have to know when to put a stop to it. They will say, they will tell everybody, I don't want time, what am I can do? That troublesome woman, that problematic woman, that jealous woman. They will just brand you everything first. Everybody will hate you for that place where you stay. All the men go they scared to even talk to you or to near you or whatever. They don't gain her already. That one will give them a chance to do their enjoyment, go out, do everything when they like, invite girl from another state come your state, sleep with the girl when they don't already take eye pick down when they want to sleep with you and make them they cause that problem every blessed day for house. If they don't do all that thing finish, they will come the bride price, my bride price is there with Amo. My bride price, how much be bride price? How much be your bride price? 24 naira. If you like, you put 1 million for bride price. For plate, 24 naira. Now it be the least when they will give you, when they're supposed to give you traditionally. The rest, they're not the returner. They're not the returner. It's 24 naira. That one, now be the dirty, as Guinea people talk. Now it be the diary. Nothing more. Don't expect much. So the 24 naira it reach for you to take the sing follow everywhere. You know they sing all this song. One and not hear say person they friendly with una wife. Una know they sing all this song. If una not hear say person don't they date una wife. Una be one evilly keep these women for bondage. They come backfire. As all of una they plan all this evil plan. They try to put women for bondage. The moment when una hear say person start to date them, una start to announce the man, una will start to cause problem around. All of una will suffer with for this evil behavior. All of una will really suffer. I don't notice this thing so many times. When una see say the woman don't ready to move on, or you don't friend another man. as una take put many of our mama for bondage, put many of our aunties for bondage. They no get self-love. They no fit teach us what to be self-love, because all the law na create and na create this law, na create this law, na create one una go do, na create one una no go do again, na create one they go return bride price. Make I tell you now, if man pay bride price on your head, you don't make up your mind fully, say you don't want time again, you don't get what they take and do, because now soldier go, soldier come, you don't want time again. Even though say you not return bride price, not be big deal, not be big deal. Even though say you not return bride price, as far as you know they go back to her, you know they go back to her, you born for her. That is the only reason why you shouldn't even return bride price safe. Because Igbo land, if you not pay bride price for woman, the pikin not be you get her. That is the only reason. So make una stop. All these women, bride price they head. Waiting now, juju they put for a head. I been a load. It's 24 naira. If she like, she return her. If she not like, you know, return her. Even though say now on her wedding day, she feel even return her on her wedding day. Carry another money put for head. Now that one that they call it campaign. It campaign or it ballo. When another man they ballo, wait till they ballo before, because you don't know the value. Our ballo, soldier come, soldier go. Because enough is enough. Women need to wake up. Women need to arrange themselves. And not continue to keep all these our beautiful ladies for bondage in the name of marriage, cause trauma for children, quarrel problem. Meanwhile, una go dey enjoy una life for corner, or una go dey live una miserable life. Una be think say if una comot, una life go sweet, una life go bright, but at the end, na come say na lie o, na lie. So make I stop this video here. I hear say they cry oh, say they need their bride price. You don't take that one shop Gary pass. You don't pass that stage. We don't pass that stage. After I go see some issue, I just know what to talk. You know, as you would say, you're not going to return your bride price. You're not going to return your bride price. You know if you follow my who tell you now? Say person not if follow man when bride price they head. Who tell you now? What of the man? Everything at the man who can't be fool. I beg him, may we drop. When I go sit down, we will talk later, my beautiful ladies. All the real girls gather here. Don't forget to press the like button and subscribe. I love all of you now. Bye bye.